How to create a double opt-in web form. Web form is a way of obtaining new contacts directly from your website. Double opt-in is a method where a subscriber has to confirm his address first in order to receive any emails from you. This is an industry standard which ensures that all emails you send are solicited. You can create a web form from the Forms in the menu. There, you can either choose an already existing editable template from the gallery or create a new one. Whichever option you will choose, you will get a special menu with a preview of the web form. All changes will be automatically applied, so you can view how your actions will change it. In the Contacts field section, you can choose which details, aside from the email, you'd like to gather, for example, contact's first name or any other custom detail. In the Options sections, you will find multiple fields which control the mechanism of the form. In the Form Submit URL, type in the address of the page where the subscriber will be redirected after filling out the form. Those pages usually tell the subscriber to check his inbox for verification email. In the Confirmation URL, type in the address of the page where the subscriber will be redirected after the activation link has been clicked. Those pages usually say, "Your subscription has been confirmed, thank you." In some cases, a subscriber that already exists on your list fills out the form. If it happens, you will be redirected to the page typed in the URL redirection for existing contacts box. If you'd like to be notified about each subscription, type your email address in the Get Notification box. Otherwise, you can leave it empty. Each contact that subscribes will be added to your All Contacts list. You can, however, choose a specific, already existing list. For example, new subscribers, in order to separate those contacts. You can also add those contacts to multiple lists and even give them a choice by clicking the Make Lists optional checkbox. This will allow the subscriber to choose which list he'd like to subscribe to. On default, each contact will be sent a default activation template with a link to be clicked. You can create your own template to be sent instead. Select it in the Activation Template menu. What's important, this template requires an URL merge tag and the template's name cannot contain any spaces. You can also share this web form with any subaccounts that you own by checking the Allow your subaccounts to use this form checkbox. When you check it, they will be able to access it from their template gallery. If you'd like to protect your web form from any potential bots that could be abusing it, you can enable a reCAPTCHA, which will get rid of most of them. In the Style section, you can adjust the visuals of your form to anything that pleases you and you think that will look good on your website. And lastly, in the HTML code section, you will find the final code that you can copy and paste to your site. Congratulations! Now you know how to create your own double opt-in web form.